files can be difficult at times, so it's always a good idea to make sure you've got a good file naming format. So I can look for, my first, and the Excel search has actually appeared, so we can use the little search button there. Sometimes we can actually just open up the application we know we were using, and a lot of times it will pop up in your recent, or you can search for it. So that is really useful if you know what files you're working on. If you're not sure, if you know it's an Office program, there is the General Office app, which will allow you to search pretty much all of the Office programs. So you can once again just do a filter in the search, to find your Excel work files. There's also the recommended recent files that you've worked on. Other ways to find things: if you know the folder that you've worked on, you can press Windows E to open up the File Explorer. So if you know it's somewhere in your documents, you can then search for it in here. And mine was actually saved in this Excel file. If you're looking for different documents, Excel SX will find all the Excel documents, DocX for Word, and PPTX for your PowerPoint files.